I'm Susan Winter, and I speak man. Yes, I'm fluent in man. It's a very specific language, and ladies, this is a skill you will want to learn. I can promise you that speaking man will help your relationship get to conflict resolution and create a frictionless form of communication. I'm having a very special masterclass Q&A live coaching event on February 24th at 2 p.m. Eastern, and I am so excited to have you join me. Now, this is for ladies because we tend to be a little verbose, and sometimes we go in circles before we actually get to the point. And I don't want your man's ears to be bleeding like I've done that in the past. So I'm going to help you to find a clear, concise, diplomatic, frictionless language in which you can communicate with the man you love. And this is not to exclude men. If you're in love with a man and you tend to be a little too verbose, this is for you too. Now, tongue in cheek, yes, to speak man. But men speak and communicate differently than we do. We do not need to front load them with tons of context. They don't need 2 hours before we get to the point. Men speak to communicate information, which then relates to action. That's it. They don't vent. They're looking to fix something. And so let's give them something to fix. Imagine you're not going into the same loop of the issue over and over again. You're not having your partner pretend they're falling asleep to avoid having the conversation. Wouldn't it be wonderful to be able to say in a clear, clean, concise manner what it is, what the problem is, and what you'd like help with? I can actually help you to do that. Now, I think this is a cute title. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. Would you have really clicked on effective communication for conflict resolution? I don't think so. So this is why I will teach you how to speak man. You will be fluent in man, and your communication skills with the person you love will be accelerated. So please join me. This will be 90 minutes. I think it's going to be a ton of fun. I can't wait to have you join me. So please look at all the information is in the show notes, and I look forward to seeing you there so that we can both speak man together. Thank you.